Alright, let's see what the temperature of the hot water is coming out of this lavatory. What is it? 100 and... See if we can pitch up. What we got? Let's get back in the stream. Okay. I'm right at 100 degrees. Alright, let's come over to the shower. Yeah. Maybe, oops, 90, get 90 degrees. Alright, so that's a 10-degree difference. So, okay, we're back. So we got this handle off. Oops, this handle off. And then this collar on threads. Actually, it doesn't on thread, it just pushes over the O-ring, so we're going to grease that back up. So that keeps water out of the wall. 2.5 millimeter hex key fits the screw on this. Set screw. See if we can get a look at it down in there. There it is. So this little red collar, it's got a little stopper sticking off it there, and it rotates from there all the way up to there. So we turn the water on. It only goes so far to there. So we take this screw off, pull this out, rotate it around, push it back on, and we should be able to get it down to there. And that'll give us another, I don't know, 30 degrees of rotation, and we should get hotter temperature water. All right, so we'll get this screw off, and then we'll show you what happened next. Hold on. Okay, so we put a little rag down in the drain since we pulled this screw and cap off, and here we go. We should be able to just pull this out all the way off. And then I want to rotate it to the right. Gotta line it back up where I can get the most out of it. And that should do it right there. So let's stick this back on. Stick this in. And we just want it snug. Don't go crazy. It's only going in a piece of plastic. Just snug. That's all we got. Let's see what we get now. Okay. There we go. That's good to get in the steam. Well, already above 90. Alright. Now we'll be able to take a hot shower. Where we at? 110. Alright, that's good. Alright, that's how you adjust a anti-scald device on most of these single lever showers. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to put this back together. Have a good day.